Hey guys, welcome back. And before anything else, I wanted to greet you all a happy new year, and I hope you had an amazing start to this year so far. I miss you guys so much. I miss doing this video. I haven't been uploading for like a few weeks on my channel. I wanted to share with you the best makeup of 2022 series face edition. So later on I will be uploading for eyes and lips, so stay tuned for that. If you are interested to know all the products that I'm going to share today, just keep on watching. Let's go ahead and start with the first product, which is a face primer. So I have a couple of options here. First is this one right here. This is from Bobbi Brown, the Vitamin Enriched face base. This is not a new launch. I just discovered this one this year, and I have this with me when I traveled, so it's really good. It just makes everything really soft. It makes your makeup last. It's almost like a moisturizer, so it really doesn't dry your skin. And this is the texture inside. As you see, I used it a lot for sure, and I really love it. I think I'm just gonna continue using this every day now. And the other face primer that I really love using this year is this one. This one is Radiance primer from NARS. This is really amazing. When you feel like your skin is lacking of radiance or like glow, you can apply this under, let it dry for a little bit, and then you apply your foundation. This one also has a very interesting tone to it. It has this like peachy kind of look into it, so if you have anything like pigmentation, it's going to correct it a little bit. And apparently this primer comes with a sunscreen, so it's really perfect for like summer or like just using it every day for extra protection. This is really nice, so that's why these are the two primers that I love using this year. Next up, we are going to jump with the foundation, which is of course a must-have. First, let's do the Charlotte Tilbury. This one is Beautiful Skin Foundation. Apparently, this one is really good. A lot of makeup artists, a lot of beauty influencers use this, and I love it too. I really like the effect of this one on my skin. The only thing that I don't like this sometimes in the summer, if I use it and I'm already oily, so I really have to set this with a powder, but overall still an amazing formula, amazing foundation, so I really like that. And then I have also another Charlotte Tilbury. This one is Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is not a foundation, but it's more like a base if you want more glow. I finally bought them, and I'm so glad that I get to use it. Look at how much I use it. I actually like removed some of the name in the bottle already. It is an amazing product, and I really like the way how it sits on the skin. It makes my skin glowy as well, so I like it. Next up, I have Bounce Skin Tint. This is from Beauty Blender. I know right now I'm a bit tan, but you know, I can use this and just make it a little darker. But overall, using this by itself, oh my goodness, it's amazing. If you want more of a skin-like, very natural but covers, go with this one. This is an amazing foundation that I discovered this year. I keep using it, and you've probably seen it on my Instagram. If you haven't followed me there, feel free to follow me if you like. And next foundation that I'm talking about is of course this Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. Oh my goodness, you guys, like I cannot believe I just get to try this one this year, because this has been out for a while, and actually this is what I am wearing right now. You can see how flawless it is. I am in love with this foundation, and I don't know what's in here. Just my skin works with this foundation, so it's really amazing. The last foundation that I wanted to show you is of course this NARS Light Reflecting Foundation, and I think, oh my god, it's just so beautiful. Like, I mean, this is beautiful, but every time I use this foundation, I just get like goosebumps. That's so far my foundation this year. And next up, I have like a corrector that I keep using, and this one is from NARS. This is the Radiant Creamy Color Corrector. If you notice, sometimes you have a little bit of dark spots or dark circles or any pigmentation, you feel like you didn't sleep enough, you just put this underneath your concealer and it makes such a big difference. Like, I have used this on clients, on my friends, for myself as well. It's an amazing product, and I really enjoy using it, and I feel like it really worked for me. So really love this corrector this year. I have concealer for you guys. Huda Beauty, this is the Faux Filter concealer, and that's what I'm wearing as well. It's beautiful. I don't know what it is. It lasts. It doesn't give me problem with like cracking under my eyes. The pigmentation, the undertone is perfect. I feel like she has a little bit more of this like pinkier undertone, and I feel like it just removes that like tired eyes, and this is an amazing one. Also, next product with the contour, this year I finally got this one. This is the Giorgio Armani in the shade A. So this is a liquid contour. What I love about this is when I contour my nose, it's very handy to get the brush and then apply it here, and you can just like make a fine line. Like, it's so convenient to do that, and it's very light, so you don't really need to put a lot of product so that it will look cakey later. So that's why I really love this. It's very lightweight. Next product I'm gonna go over with a highlighter, and for this year I only have one, and this is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Pillow Talk Multi Glow Beautifying All Over Glow Highlighter. I cannot get enough of this one. I keep using it, and it's very versatile because there's a bunch of like colors here. There is a light, there's sort of a pink, there's a very bronzy one, and there is like more like champagne. So it's really good, and like you can mix up with this one as well to get a different color. This is the only one that I feel like I've been reaching out this year. And next up, let's jump into the powder. I have a few powder that I discovered this year. First of all, this one is a drugstore brand. This is the NYX No Filter Face Powder. This is supposed to be a classic tan finishing powder. It has a little bit of micro glitter into it. It's not really glitter. It's a very fine shimmer, and I love the effect on the skin. It's very fine on the skin. It doesn't look like thick. If you wanted to skip a bronzer and you just want to look like tan, this is a perfect one in the shade NFFP10. Love this one. Next up, I have the Dior. It's amazing too. It's very similar to NYX. Also, the price is different, but I've been reaching on this one like constantly if I wanted to feel like extra like luxurious, you know. I really love this powder, and it's very sleek. Next up, I have the last loose powder that I just discovered like late this year, and this one is from Karslan. I have a full video of that product on my channel, so I'm gonna put the link down below if you're curious with the Karslan brand. Although this one is an amazing powder, it is supposed to blur, and it's just perfect if you don't want anything that's thick. If you want a lightweight loose powder, this is so good. This is how the packaging looks like. You can see it comes with the sponge already, so you just kind of do that, and it does mattify and it lasts all day. And I really like the way how the finish look as well. It's very invisible, so that's the word for this product, and I really like it. Again, it's from Karslan. This is a brand that reached out to me late this year, and they want me to try their product, and you know, this one is really good. Next up, I want to move to blushes. You guys, you know how much I love blushes, and this year there's a lot of different launches, and I just, you know, I can't get all of them, but mostly the ones that I got is like absolutely beautiful. First, I wanted to start with this brand right here, Alima Pure. So I just recently got this. Also, they reached out to me, and you know, I got this on PR. I feel like I have been using this lately, especially when my skin is a little bit dry, so I use a lot of cream, and this is how it looks like. It's so cute. I will definitely show you how this one looks like. I have a few products from them. Did I just say Pew? That's what I'm wearing right now, and it's just so natural. So this is the product that I have been loving last year. Next up, I have the Giorgio Armani Neon Nude Melting Color Balm Cheeks and Eyes, and this one is in the shade number 45. This line is amazing. Up to this day, I'm still looking forward to get the other shades, but it's still sold out, so I hope I can get them soon. This is the shade right here. This product does not move on top of your base. This one apparently just gives me the beautiful, like healthy looking cheek, which is like I really love, and that's why I have this on my list. Next up, I have the cream product. Again, this one is from Patrick Ta. He launched some of the new shades that he has on the collection already, and this one I picked up. This is the shade She's a Doll. This is a beautiful shade if you want to look fresh, you want to look like young. This is so beautiful, and don't be scared of this color because it actually looks really nice on the skin, just like a fresh flush of like shade on your cheeks. It's very, very nice. It's very flattering. That's from Patrick Ta. And then I have another one from Karslan, and this one is their Sweet Face Blush. This product right here, it looks kind of like a brown on the packaging, but once you put it on, you are getting this like very nice peachy brown tone on your skin. It's like perfect for early summer. This one is really, really nice. And then I have a lot of blush, you guys. I know I'm a big fan. And this one right next to Karslan is from Dior. This is the Rouge Blush in the shade 556. I know this is a limited edition, but I have to include this one. It's just because it's beautiful. It's perfect. I love it. This is how it looks like. It is a coral shade. Next up, I have the palette that I wanted to share with you guys. First of all, let's talk about the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Beautifying Face Palette in the shade Medium Deep. Oh my goodness, I'm going to show you how much I use this blush. Look how like I've been using this on the top and then like mixing these two together, highlighter as well. It's one of the best launches this year that Charlotte Tilbury did. She has a lot more coming up, but like this is beautiful. You guys should get this. Like it's amazing. I really love how this looks on the skin. It's just everything, and I hope you have it. If not, definitely would recommend for you to get. And last but not the least, with the blush, I have the Hourglass. This is becoming one of my favorite palette that I just been using lately, and I think this is like perfect for like spring, summer, all year round because of like the color story on this one. You can use this in the winter, mix it up, summer. I really love this one right here. It's just a beautiful shade. And it's very, very pigmented, so you don't really need a lot. It's one of my favorite palette, and I think that's pretty much what I have for face this so far on this video. So make sure that tune in with the next episode of Eyes and Lips. So let me know, you guys, if you have any more favorites that I don't have on my list, or let me know if you really love some products that I can also try. So again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon. Please don't forget to like this video. Also, subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, and I will see you on my next time. Bye guys!